Over one-third of all college degrees require calculus, and in STEM majors, that number jumps to 96%. Some universities require all undergraduate students to take a calculus course, yet online resources fail to keep students in mind. Some resources like Wolfram hide their explanations behind the paywall, and others like Symbolab have robotic explanations and skip key areas like polar and parametric integration. My name is Ethan Ding.
And my name is Sharangpani, and we built
Eulearn.
Eulearn is a step-by-step integration solver. It functions as a one-stop shop for all calculus help. It breaks problems down into their components and explains what technique applies and why, mimicking the reasoning of a human tutor. It covers all major calculus AB and BC integration techniques, including integration by parts, U-sub, trig sum, partial fractions, along with polar and parametric integration. Eulearn combines a custom Python backend that uses NumPy, SciPy, and SymPy with a clean HTML, CSS, and JavaScript frontend to display understandable explanations for the students. When a student enters an integral, Eulearn identifies the technique and returns an intermediate step. It then applies this process recursively to focus on steps rather than solutions and allow a student to gain a complete understanding of the problem.
Eulearn also generates custom practice problems so students can immediately test what they learn with no ads, no distractions, and no paywalls.
Today we're going to be navigating the Eulearn webpage. Let's begin by logging in.
Students can log in with our authentication or with OAuth using Google or GitHub. Today we'll be using Google. Once logged in, users can access the profile page where they can manage their personal information.
Let's go to the integral solver page. We're going to begin by solving a regular integral. This is a regular integral that requires U substitution. Let's see how Eulearn does. As you can see, Eulearn has found the correct answer and the substitution, which is cosine x plus 1. Let's go to a parametric problem. X of t is going to be t squared, and y of t is going to be sine t. This is a parametric problem that requires integration by parts to solve. Let's see how Eulearn does. As you can see, Eulearn has converted the parametric problem into a normal integral and found the indefinite integral using integration by parts. Now let's do a polar problem. We'll be entering 1 plus sine theta for the inner function and 1 plus cosine theta for the 1 minus sine theta for the outer function. The answer here is 4, and this is from a past AP Calc BC test. The area is highlighted by the integration between the red and the blue curves. As you can see, Eulearn has also provided how to solve the problem. Now let's do some practice.
We have practice problems for all three problem types. Today we'll be doing some regular practice problems. We'll do a level 1 problem first. And for this one, the answer would be... Okay, that was correct. Now let's do one that's more difficult. Okay, this one's quite hard, so if we don't know the answer, we can give up.
Alright, let's see how to do that problem. We can go to the techniques page and scroll down to integration techniques. We can go to trig substitution. Here, we can see how to solve trig sub problems, and also can see an example problem. And we can apply this knowledge to our practice problem.
Going back to the solver page, we can see that all three problems that we've done are now saved.
Thanks for listening. Happy solving!
By combining precise calculations with the clarity of a human tutor, Eulearn makes advanced calculus understandable for everyone. Help us make learning more accessible with Eulearn!